Greetings to you, ma'am. I am Y.S.Choudhary, student of Dr. Hari Singh Gaur, Central University, Sagar, pursuing BSc 5th semester from CFZ combination, and this is my presentation of the second mid zoology theory assignment enlightening the topic physiological barriers of immunity. Now, before heading towards our topic, I would like to throw some light on the term immunity. So, what is immunity? Answer to this is the complex organism's body is able to defend itself from most of the foreign agents entering or trying to enter into the body. This overall ability of the host to fight against the disease causing organisms or pathogens conferred by the immune system is called immunity. Immunity is of two types, innate immunity and acquired immunity. First of all, innate immunity is a non-specific type of defense that is present at the time of birth. Our topic, which is physiological barrier of immunity, comes under the category of innate immunity. Secondly, acquired immunity is a pathogen-specific immunity. It is characterized by memory. Now, coming towards our topic, innate immunity have four types of barrier mechanism to prevent the entry of foreign agents into the body. These barriers are physical barrier, which includes skin and mucus on the epithelium. Physiological barrier, which is our topic here, includes acid in stomach, saliva in mouth, tear formation in eyes, and sweat from skin. Third, cellular barrier, which includes certain WBCs such as polymorphonuclear leukocytes like neutrophils, monocytes in blood, as well as macrophages in tissues can phagocytose and destroy microbes. Fourth, cytokine barriers. In cytokine barriers, the viruses infected cells produces proteins called as interferons to protect the non-infected cells. So this was the overall outlook of the non-specific type of defense, that is innate immunity. Now, when we talk about our topic, that is physiological barrier of immunity, it comes under the innate immunity as we have discussed earlier. The physiological barrier of immunity are the secretions of the body which functions to prevent the growth of microbes, germs, foreign particles, etc., which are capable of passing the physical barrier. From here, it is clear that the physiological barrier of immunity consists of some certain secretions that inhibits the growth of microbes, pathogens, or foreign particles that have entered into the body. But the question rises that what are the secretions and how are they able to prevent the growth of foreign particles? The answer to this is tear from eyes, saliva in the mouth, sweat secretions by the skin, acid secreted by the stomach. These are the secretions that comes under the physiological barrier of immunity. Now, we shall discuss how these secretions helps to inhibit the growth of foreign particles that have entered into the body. When we talk about tears, these are secreted by the tear gland present in the eyes. More specifically, these glands are called as lacrimal gland. Tears in the eyes contains lysozymes which prevent the growth of microbes or pathogens that have entered into the human body through the path of eye. Secondly, saliva secreted by the salivary gland present in the mouth contains various enzymes including lysozymes and hydrolytic enzymes. These enzymes help to prevent the growth of any microbial or foreign particle that have entered into the human body by the path of mouth. Third, in stomach, the parietal cells, or also called as the oxyntic cells, secrete HCl, which has a pH of 1.8. The exergic effect of HCl in stomach makes it difficult for the survival of most of the microbes and bacteria that have entered into the body and hence prevent microbial growth. Fourth, the sweat secreted by the glands, specifically called as the sweat glands, have antimicrobial proteinatic enzymes which prevents the growth of microorganisms as well as prevents the colonization or accumulation of pathogenic substances or foreign materials on the skin. So, these were the physiological responses of the body that comes under the physiological barriers of immunity. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching my assignment.